SMART objectives are a widely used framework for setting clear and achievable goals in various fields and industries. The acronym SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Each of these components plays a crucial role in defining objectives that are well-defined, actionable, and results-oriented. In this article, we will delve deeper into each element of SMART objectives and explore how they contribute to effective goal setting. Specific. Specificity is the foundation of SMART objectives. A specific objective clearly defines what needs to be accomplished. It answers the questions of who, what, where, when, and why. By providing a clear focus, specificity enables individuals and teams to align their efforts towards a common goal. Vague objectives often lead to confusion and lack of direction, whereas specific objectives bring clarity and purpose. Measurable. Measurability refers to the ability to quantify progress and determine whether the objective has been achieved. Objectives should be measurable to provide a concrete way of assessing success. Measurable objectives typically involve quantifiable metrics such as percentages, numbers, or time frames. By establishing measurable criteria, it becomes easier to track progress, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate achievements. Attainable. Attainability considers the feasibility and practicality of an objective. An attainable objective is one that can be realistically accomplished within the available resources, time, and capabilities. It is important to set objectives that challenge individuals and teams, but they should still be within reach. Setting unattainable goals can lead to demotivation and a sense of failure. By ensuring attainability, objectives become realistic targets that inspire action and effort. Relevant. Relevance emphasizes the significance and alignment of objectives with broader goals and objectives. A relevant objective is one that directly contributes to the overall purpose or mission. It is crucial to evaluate the relevance of an objective in the context of the organization, project, or individual's goals. Relevant objectives provide a sense of purpose and direction, ensuring that efforts are focused on meaningful outcomes. Time-bound. Time-bound objectives are set within a specific time frame or deadline. They provide a sense of urgency and create a clear target for completion. Establishing a time frame adds a level of accountability and helps prevent procrastination. Time-bound objectives can be short-term or long-term, depending on the nature of the goal. By defining a specific timeline, objectives become time-sensitive and motivate individuals and teams to work efficiently. When combined, these 5 components create a powerful framework for goal setting and achievement. SMART objectives help individuals and organizations move from abstract aspirations to concrete plans of action. They provide clarity, structure, and accountability, enabling individuals and teams to focus their efforts, track progress, and celebrate success. Let's consider an example to illustrate the application of SMART objectives. Suppose a marketing team wants to increase website traffic. Using the SMART framework, they can set the following objective: increase organic website traffic by 20% within 6 months by implementing a content marketing strategy and optimizing search engine optimization (SEO) efforts. Specific. The objective clearly defines increasing organic website traffic as the goal and outlines the approach through content marketing and SEO optimization. Measurable. The objective includes a measurable target of 20% increase in website traffic, which can be tracked using analytics tools. Attainable. The team assesses the available resources, expertise, and time frame to ensure the objective is realistically achievable. Relevant. The objective aligns with the marketing team's broader goal of improving online visibility and attracting more visitors. Time-bound. The objective sets a specific deadline of 6 months, creating a sense of urgency and accountability. By following the SMART framework, the marketing team has set a well-defined and actionable objective that guides their efforts, provides a clear benchmark.